Good morning, Sushi. It's time for phonics.
Hello children, it's time for phonics. Today we have a different sound. The sound today, are you ready for it? Is, here it is, R. R. It's like when you go to the doctors and the doctor wants to look in your throat if you've got a bit of a sore throat. And the doctor says, say R. So children, are you ready? Say R. 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 And that's our sound. Ah, and to make it, we use a and a There's a bit of a clue in there, isn't there? R, 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 because you can hear the at the end. R, that's our sound. Say R, R. Right, so we're going to be building these words. We're going to be building car, park, and farm. Right, turn on the robot. Beep. Let's get sounding out. First word. Car. Car. K. R. How many sounds? K. R. Car. K. R. Car. Well done. Right, let me get my pen. R. K. R. K. What do you think's going to go here? K. K. Yes. K. And I'm going to put the curly K here. K. R. K. R. What's going to go here, children? Of course, our new sound, our new digraph. That's right. Car. Putting them together. Car. Well done. You have a go. Excellent. Next word, children. Are you ready? Park. We like to go to the park, don't we? Yes? I know I do. Park. P. R. K. P. R. K. Park. P. R. K. Park. How many sounds? Exactly. 3 sounds, 3 lines. Park. P. R. K. P. R. K. P. 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 Let's put P here. P. R. Down it comes. Down comes our new digraph. R. P. R. K. P. R. K. 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 Come on, K. Come on down. There we are. P. R. K. Park. Well done, children. Did you get it? So if I ask you, what did you do at the weekend? You can tell me, can't you? You can write down, I went to the park. And that's how you spell it. Well done, children. The final word for today is farm. Now, we learnt all about the farm recently, didn't we? We learnt about it last week. Farm. All together. Farm. Farm. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you hear our digraph? So what's going to go here? Of course. What makes Yes, down it comes. And here we are. Farm. Excellent, children. Well done. All right, so now we've built our 3 words. I want you to practice them and practice writing them, okay? And also you can make up your own sentence or a caption. All right, so now children, we're going to go on to building a sentence. Right, children, what we're going to do now is we're going to build a sentence. And the sentence we're going to build is, the farm is hot. The farm is hot. Are you ready? First of all, we have to remember it. We don't want to forget it, do we? So I like to say it a few times. The farm is hot. The farm is hot. Let's count each word. The farm is hot. The farm is hot. That's 4 words. So I've got to make sure when I write my sentence, there are 4 words in that sentence. Okay? The farm is hot. I'm going to use my phonic hand to help me. The farm is hot. Got to remember my capital letters, fingers, spaces, and my full stop at the end. Mustn't forget that if I want to breathe, don't I? The farm is hot. First word. What was it, children? Of course, the. How do you write the? T-H-E. Yes, tricky word. We remember it, don't we? The farm. The farm, nice finger space, is hot. Hot, 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 and full stop. The farm is hot. Right, I'm ready. It's in my brain. I'm going to build it with the magnetic letters. The. T-H-E. You can see, children, I've used a capital T, capital T. Okay, it's at the beginning. The farm. The farm. I'm reading back to check that I'm doing it correctly. The farm is. The farm is. Another tricky word. The farm is hot. 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 There we are. I built my sentence. Can you do the same? The farm is hot. Just reading back, checking. I have a capital letter. I have finger spaces. It's not all squashed up. I've got very happy letters and very happy words. And I'm going to read it. The farm is hot. Oh my, I can't breathe, children. There's no full stop. I better put a full stop in quickly so I can take a breath. Oh, God, that was close. The farm is hot. There we are. All done. Correct. Okay, so that's what you need to do, children. Well done. You have a go now, okay, after this lesson. See you next time. Bye.